Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video we are going to be doing Python data types. This will be the second episode for the Python series that I'm going to be teaching you guys, and this is beginner friendly. If you've never used Python before, this is for you. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave a like. So part 2, we are going to be diving directly to Python data types, and we're just going to name this collab that, so we don't get confused. So I'm going to use Python data types. Good. Rename. So for Python data types, the first we have a few data types. We have, let me just type it here. So the first thing you need to learn about Python, if you want to write something down like a statement which you are not going to run, you use a hashtag. So you're going to use hashtag. First data type, just write data types. We have integers, so integers is like a number, either let's say number 300 is an integer, negative 300 is an integer. Okay, so if you want to check which type your integer, which type your, let's say 300 is, you can just use a function called type. So we're going to just write function type to check our data type. So let's try type and then brackets and then 300, and then if you want to run, just type control enter. It's telling us int. Okay, we can try the next one. You can say type negative 300 integers as well. So the next one is the next of our data type is, we have, it's called float. So you can just write float, and float is basically has decimal point, so like 1.45 is a float, 6.5 it's a float. So if you want to check which type these are, you just type bracket 1.45 floats, shift enter, type 6.5 floats. Okay, another one we have is called boolean. Let me just spell it for you. It's called boolean, like that. I think it's spelled like that. It's called boolean. So boolean basically contains true or false. So we can just write type, let's write true. Let's see if it works actually. It's called bool in short. Type false, type false. I think it's supposed to be capital F. It's called bool as well. Okay, so we have three functions in. The last one we have is called string. String is like a name. So like for example, we say Nora is a string, so we just say type, and then most string has this, whatever it's called, that. So let's say Nora string, you see. So the next thing is converting a string to to integers or an integer to a string. So we can write here, convert integer to string. So string, we said it's Nora, so we're converting integer. String is like a name, okay, and it always has, so if a number is a string, it will have this, so it will be like 1. That's a string. So if you want to convert the normal one, we can just write str, and then you convert 1, the normal one, to be string, and it will have that. Okay, the next thing is convert string to integer. So we're going to say int, we use the string one, which has this, we convert it to integer. We can also convert it to a float. Let's see. It will have 1.0. A float has a decimal point, so it will have 1.0. Yep, so basically that's it, converting and the numerous type of data types you have in Python. We've said we have integers, float, boolean, which is true or false, and we have the string. And we can also convert integer to string, convert string to any integer. We can also convert float to integer, integer to float, whichever you might want. Yeah, so basically that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.